Hello friends, this is Wellbeing Thinking, subject to question and answer, sponsored by me through the YouTube channel, guided by Prote Musahari. Question number 1, Hagramayaw or Khontaikho Sor Lirdengmon, answer Onil Boro. Question number 2, Folk Tales of the Bodos, Bijapkho Sor Lira, answer Mohini Mohan Brahmo. Question number 3, Serangni Gokhretia, Bobe Bijingo Bangsin, answer Latikwaw. Question number 4, Doini Rifikon Bisana Besibang, answer 1.33. Question number 5, Madhya Pradesh ni Harimani Bifang ama, answer Phakri Bifang. Question number 6, Gibi Bharatari Mr. Universal Sur, answer Montos Roy, 1951. Question number 7, Bharatni Joushin Minarama, answer Kutub Minar, Delhi. Question number 8, Bharatni Joushin Mandirama, answer Sri Ranganath Swami Mandir. Question number 9, Bharatni Bangsin Subung Onjima Thanai Raijua Bobe, answer Uttar Pradesh. Question number 10, Bharatni Dersin Cinema Hola Bobe, answer Thongom Cinema Hall, Tamil Nadu. Question number 11, Sonaton Hindu Dhoramko Sor Gaisondongmon, answer Jagat Guru Shankaracharya. Question number 12, Tama Mangra Thaunia Bobe, answer Khetri, Rajasthan. Question number 13, Uranium Honia Bobeau, answer Bihar.